Qoncept furniture. HATHOR Eames style chair, assembly guide. Before you begin your assembly, make sure you have all your parts, including the body of the chair, base, chair padding, bolts and washers. First, place the two pieces of the base together. Warily grab the base together and face it on the floor. And then insert the bolts into the middle hole of the base. Using an Allen wrench, cautiously tighten the bolts. Place the chair padding upside down on the base of the chair, for support. Put the body of the chair, bottom up and match the holes of the chair padding to the body. Combine the washers and bolts together, and put it in the four holes of the body of the chair and the padding. Here, we used an Allen wrench to tighten the bolts. The base should be in X position when putting it on the bottom of the chair. Carefully put the bolts in the remaining holes of the base. We used an Allen wrench to make sure the bolts are tight and attached correctly to the body of the chair. There you go. Your very own HATHOR Eames style chair. To shop, visit www.belowsrp.com.ph.